Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Colin coming at you with another Tokyo treat box. This is April's box. I don't think again I have to go into depth about what Tokyo treat is. We're all adults. Just like search the website. It's quite good. You get 17 items for the premium and then 12 items for the standard. Right, this box obviously it weighs the same amount roughly as the other box that I got last month. Just have a little look at the sides. Yeah, let's just get straight into it. Right, let's open the box. There we go. Right, we're in. Here you go. As usual, obviously they give you the magazine at the top. It tells you a little bit about what's in the box, basically, and that's the centre page, and it tells you you get a little thank you note, again obviously standard every box. Then there's a competition that every single person is entered into automatically, which is on that second page. The centre is obviously the snack menu. And then obviously the next page is a photo contest where you can win. And basically you just snap a picture with the hashtag Tokyo Treat or hashtag Tokyo Treat Sakura. First things first, item number 1. Sakura Latte Marshmallows. There's nothing more to them other than obviously they're basically marshmallows. The pink one's Sakura, which is obviously the cherry blossom plant, and then the white one's a latte. Pretty cool. The next item is Mike's Classic Popcorn. It's basically just obviously popcorn. It's just got the salted popcorn. And it's in quite a big bag. The bag looks quite cool, to be fair. It's pretty good. The next item is the Mini Monster Gummy. And it's basically just like one of the string sweets. One of the string gummy sweets that you used to get when you were younger. The next thing on the list is, it's physically called Banana Man. And it's literally just a Japanese style fluffy banana marshmallow. And there is a little bit of chocolate sauce in the middle. The next item on the list is Moki Taro. And this is about new beginnings, this packet here. So they've rebranded. And these are basically just salty crackers. That's literally it, just salty like rice crackers. The next item is Tempura Fried Lemon Squid Snacks. And they've got a little sweet Sakura surprise. Awesome. Then the next item is obviously Umabo. And this one is cheese flavour. And obviously, like I said, if you're a regular to the channel and you watch these videos through, well done, I love you. These are a crisp, and it's basically like a crisp stick. The next item is obviously ramen shop taro snacks. Again, we've had these in a box before. They're basically just dried noodles. The next item is a mash roll, and it's basically just a marshmallow. Soft, light and fluffy like Sakura. Japanese marshmallow for any sweet tooth. The next item, again I won't go into too much depth because I'm pretty sure we've had this in the box before. It is Umabo sugar rusks. And these are basically like the best way to explain them, because obviously like I said I've tried them before, is they're like fried bread, but it's not obviously because it would go off quicker. The next item on the list is a fruit donut gummy, and it's basically just like a standard fruit gummy that you used to buy. Right, then again, the next item on the list, again I'm pretty sure we've had this before in a box. It's just onion crisps, onion maize crisps. Right, here we go to the next items. Right, the next item is the Sakura Ramune, and it's basically just Japanese lemonade with a hint of sakura, which again is the cherry blossom plant. The next item is Kit Kat Sakura. Again, obviously it's Kit Kat, just standard Kit Kat with the cherry blossom plant flavour. Then we have Pringles, and these are obviously Japanese fried chicken flavour, made with plenty onion and garlic. The next item we have is the Sankaku vegetable crackers, and these are basically probably like Ritz crackers. And then the last item on the list, again don't need to go into depth for this, it's curry turtle crackers. And that's it, basically. Obviously, as always, if you've lasted this long, I fucking love you. You've been wonderful. And as well, if you lasted this long, like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Yeah, awesome. You've been wonderful. Thank you. I love yous.